Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. As you can see that on my desktop, I have a VIJIM VL81 brand new bicolor LED field light. This was created and designed by VIJIM, another brand of the Ulanzi. This is a box. It's very small and compact. When you open the box, actually inside that, we apart from the warranty cards, we also have a charging cable that has Type-C connector on the top, and this is the main body of the LED panel called VL81. There's 81 LED light because there's a 9x9 in the LED area. On the front, there's a diffuser that could make your light very soft. On the side of the VL81 LED panel, we can see there are 3 cold screw mount. You can put everything you want, a microphone, another light, or something else. On the bottom, we have a cold screw mount and as well as a 1/4" mount in the middle. On the back, the design is very elegant. On the left, we have a button. We rotate in clockwise, it will open up. And on the right, there's a color temperature rotation. So let's take a look at the back of the VIJIM VL81. Inside this tiny little LED panel, there are altogether 3000 milliamp. And it can control the temperature from the 3200K to 5600K. If you want to change temperature, when you rotate in counterclockwise, it will have a warmer tone. When you rotate in clockwise, it will have a white tone. Because inside this design of the VIJIM 81, there are altogether 81. Half of them are the yellow LED. For the rest is the white LED. So you can switch back between the yellow and white, and so that you can control the temperature by turn on the LED with different settings. And we rotate that back, you can see it's a full symmetrical design. There are 4 indication LED, the indication of your battery. And this is a charging cable, so you can charge your LED panel with the connector, the cable that was in the box. Price of this one is very cheap. As I have mentioned before, I also have a VL49. As you can see, the VL81 is just a little bit bigger compared with the VL41, and the price is almost the same. One more thing I have to mention about the VL81 is that when you are working at the lowest light brightness, like this, and you want to control from the warm to the cold tone, there might be a point that both of the yellow and white LED turn off. And so to be careful with that when you are working at the lowest brightness, so something will happen at the middle of the color temperature. When you rotate above that, you're gonna have a very good brightness. But when you are working at a very high brightness, it doesn't happen on your LED panel. So just be careful with this light when you are vlogging with that at night. This is gonna be my new vlogging night light setup. That is all about the VIJIM 81 bicolor field light. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. More to come in the future. Until next time, bye.